Scar Removal Cream by Tetyana Naturals. Advanced treatment for old and new scars. Review. Are you looking for scar removal cream to reduce the appearance of both old and new scars? Scar Removal Cream by Tetyana Naturals is ideal to fade away old and new scars from stretch marks, C-sections, cuts, and surgeries. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Powerful scar removal. Tetyana Naturals Scar Removal Cream is an intensive solution for scars from acne, cuts, stretch marks, C-sections, and surgeries. The cream is designed to fade away and smooth out scars, to leave clearer, smoother, and softer skin. Safe and natural herbal formula. This scar removal all-natural formula, made of herbal extracts and natural ingredients, works gently and safely on the skin. Helps deeply heal and lighten scars. All that, without using harsh chemicals. Soothing, nourishing, and hydrating. This advanced formula, jam-packed with the skin-nourishing nutrients, naturally softens, soothes, and repairs skin, to help actively fade away scars, enhance the skin elasticity, for firmer and smoother appearance of the skin. Suitable for all skin types. Whether you have sensitive skin, oily, dry or combination skin. This premium quality scar removal blend helps improve your scar's appearance, texture, and color, and leave brighter, smoother, and clearer skin. Effective Scar Cream. You will notice the change in the scar appearance after 2 to 3 weeks of regular day and night use. Gently massage Advanced Scar Removal Cream into the scar for 1 to 2 minutes, at least 2 months on older scars, and at least 4 weeks on the new scars. Based on over 715 customer reviews, and overall 4.4-star rating on Amazon. Scar Removal Cream by Tetyana Naturals is a popular, safe, and natural herbal formula. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. One of the better scar products out there. I have tried several oils, creams, patches, and none of them worked. I have a keloid that is most stubborn. I have used Scar Removal Cream for 2 weeks, and have had more success than anything else I have used. I love it. Need another bottle. It really works. Says Carter. Bye-bye acne scars. I've been using this for about 6 months now. Mainly for acne scars. And actually, for acne itself. It is really a remarkable formula. Some scars I've had for decades are gone now. It's really amazing. The way it seems to work is to soften the toughened skin, but also a very gentle exfoliation takes place. Not like a cosmetic exfoliate, i.e. not drying, but barely noticeable peeling. Anyway, it works. The smoothing of scars is noticeable within 3 days. I love what it does. Says Milo. Amazing result with this scar removal cream. I am a 28-year-old female. I had terrible acne scars because I picked them. Many expensive products from Sephora, some from Clinique range of products, and some from the departmental stores tried, with short-lived improvements, and terrible drying itchy reactions. After many trial and errors, I developed a stable skin regime. Within a period of 4 to 5 weeks, tremendous results. Youthful, smooth skin emerged. All my acne scars are gone. No new acne, until whenever I failed to use the products. As soon as I continue, the occasional acne appearance stops. I have found my facial regime for life. Says Stella. Scar fading. The product works okay, but takes time. I noticed fading and shrinking after 3 weeks. Definitely a noticeable fading in color, from red to pink, and smaller in size, in 5 weeks. Lightly applied makeup completely hides it after 6 weeks. For the price I'm satisfied. Edit. Upgrade to 4 stars. After 3 more additional weeks, 8 weeks total, of use, my scar continued to fade, and is light pink. No more change in size. Reasonable price. Says Romp. Not working. It's been nearly 5 months since I started using this product, and to be honest, I don't see any improvements. The scar, darker pigmentation, looks exactly the same as it was before treatment. Also, this cream has very poor packaging. The label looks very odd, and was probably printed by someone who's amateur. I see, there are lots of note about how natural this cream is, but this cream is China's origin. Again, there is nothing beneficial from this cream. If I could recommend, buy another cream that has vitamin E, to really help you heal the spot. Says, Anna. Buy it, on Amazon, today. Click the link, in the description.